Today on Taste Test, we're trying 5 Food Network stars' chicken soup recipes.
So today's a big day.
It's a big day.
Yeah, 2 heavyweight champs, Jordan and Torin, going head to head.
Me and Torin are the reigning champions of every Food Network star competition we've had here. From first looks, what are you thinking?
I feel like number 1 is kind of screaming something.
It feels Mexican flavored, so I'm gonna say that's Bobby right off the bat.
Yeah, number 4, I'm feeling either Tyler or Ina.
Who all do we have, Charlie?
We have Ree, Giada, Ina, Tyler, and Bobby. Let's get it started. Let's dive into number 1.
Right.
And before we get started, make sure you hit the little bell to subscribe and get notified every single time we post new episodes.
So this one, I'm excited to try
Yeah.
first because this is the most different.
Oh, yeah. I think I know what this
Really
is.
tell. Oh, you do? Okay,
I think
good,
this
because
is
I have no
number
idea.
1 is chicken tortilla.
What is in there? Oh, there's some either sun-dried tomatoes or like red peppers in
Yeah.
there.
Okay,
Yeah,
let's
for
try
sure,
it.
like a chicken tortilla. That's good. I like that.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I love it, but I still think that it's Bobby.
I agree. So it's not like what you're thinking of when you think of chicken soup. It's got a little bit more spice to it.
I'm gonna go Bobby.
I'll go
Bobby or
with you.
Tyler. But let's say
I'll
Bobby.
say Bobby for
Okay.
number 1.
Number 2, I'm so excited.
This is a chicken matzo ball soup, I think.
Okay.
Okay, it's a pretty dense
Oh my gosh.
matzo ball.
Well, that's really good.
That's what I'm talking about. This is exactly what you think of when you think of chicken soup.
Super salty.
Super salty.
I love the addition of the matzo ball.
Yeah.
All right, so all I really know about matzo is that you can eat it during Passover. I don't know much else about it.
I don't either.
Because I am not Jewish.
Either way, this
I
is a
don't know.
delicious soup, and I feel like Ina would make it because I feel like it's like a little more elevated. I don't know why, but I feel like it's very like classic, but very like well done.
If I could guess 2 people, I would say it's either Tyler or Ina. But my gut instinct said Ina, so I'm gonna go with that.
No, I think you might be right, actually.
Yeah, I'm gonna echo you and say Ina as well. Out of everyone who we have in the lineup, she's the only one who I think would make chicken matzo ball soup.
We have some
Or chicken
tortellini
meatball?
in
I don't know.
here. Heck
Okay.
yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
where? Oh,
I haven't
yeah.
even taken
Okay,
a bite, but
yeah, let's do it.
I think it's gonna be Giada.
Okay.
So.
Definitely Giada. We have like a little tortellini.
Oh, did
In
you see
here.
the little Parmesan on top too?
Oh, yep.
This is Giada.
For sure, like without a doubt.
There is basil, there is Parmesan, there is tortellini.
It's,
This is
I mean, it's
Giada's.
Giada. There's no doubt in my mind. Okay, this one looks really, really exciting to me. This looks like the most classic chicken noodle soup we've seen thus far.
This has got some like fancy seasoning or like garnishing going on top.
Yep, I like it.
What is that flavor in the broth?
That is some like
What is that?
spiced chicken noodle soup.
Yeah.
This is like the chicken noodle soup you eat because you want to like indulge in a soup.
I feel like it's Pioneer
You know what I
Woman.
mean?
What are you thinking?
You think this is who?
Ree.
I don't think that this is Ree because I'm looking at that one and Tyler Florence would never make something that looks so basic. I'm saying she's like, this is quick, this is easy, this is what my boys, my sons will eat, whereas Tyler's like, we need to add this. We're gonna do the spirally noodles because it's the ultimate chicken noodle soup.
You know,
I
it's
think
a
it's
step
Tyler
up.
Florence.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll go with Tyler.
Yeah.
Okay, I hear you, I hear you. I think this one is the Pioneer Woman.
Yeah, this looks like it's got a
Oh,
little
This is
creaminess
like
to it or something.
I mean, not in a bad way, but this is canned chicken noodle soup, homemade because look at
Oh,
these
look at the noodles. Yeah,
it's
yeah.
like actual like spaghetti noodles.
Ooh.
The
little
broth is like a little
cloudiness.
cloudy. Yeah.
It's almost like a miso soup.
But it has the spaghetti noodle, which
Oh,
is
I'm
interesting.
smelling. This has cheese in it.
Whoa.
What is that?
That is tangy. It's like lemon
I've had
and
this
Parmesan.
before.
Oh, it's like a Parmesan.
Yeah, this is definitely
Thing.
Parmesan soup. Okay. This has got to be Giada. I'm not changing
Yeah,
my
this
answer.
has to be Giada, but then maybe this is Tyler.
What did Charlie say? Lemon and what?
Parmesan. And number 5.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Oh no! That is Giada.
Everything is so ruined. I was so sure.
Oh no. Okay, wait.
So now I'm thinking, I don't think Giada would make something like this.
No.
So then.
Wow. So this
uh-oh.
is like a lemon chicken. Yeah. So this is Giada.
So let's go on.
Let's
start with
reevaluate.
5 and then go back down. So now we're saying Giada is number 5.
Yeah. I feel very confident that Tyler's 4.
Oh, that's the matzo ball soup. Okay, I'm still gonna say Ina.
Pretty sure that it's Bobby,
Bobby.
Ina, Giada, and then I'm gonna say Ree, and then I'm gonna say Tyler.
So maybe we flip these two. Maybe this is Ree.
Are we sure that's not Ree? I feel like Ree is like I'm gonna make chicken noodle soup and like no other. But we can also go different ways.
I was gonna say, I think I'm gonna stick with
Okay,
Ree
all
on
right.
this. We're going a little off path for
All right, let's
Ree,
do it. Let's split.
But
Okay,
let's
yeah.
go crazy.
Okay, so we have the same picks, so let's just start with number 1.
We
Number
both think
one.
this is Bobby.
Yes.
I feel pretty good
Confident.
We think it's Bobby. It's gonna be Bobby.
Bobby! Mr. Bobby.
Bobby!
Flay.
Yeah!
Okay, number 2. This is
Number
what I'm
2.
really excited about. We think it's Ina.
I'm nervous about number 2.
I do think it's Ina. I hope. I don't know.
on,
Let's
please.
see. Show me Ina.
Yay!
Got it. Yeah.
Ina!
Yes! Oh my god.
I say Ree. You say
Tyler.
Tyler.
All right, G.
Giada.
Oh my God! what?
Tyler! Yay! Oh!
Oh my god, no! Okay, so now we're gonna flip and
So
say
we're
that
gonna
this
change
one,
that. I mean,
Ree and Giada.
Ree and Giada.
So I think you're right. I
Number
think this is Ree then.
4 is Ree. Chicken noodle
Wow.
soup. Ree would make chicken noodle soup.
Ree. Okay, amazing.
And number 5
Our
is
Lady Giada.
Lady G.
Number 5 has to be
Giada!
Giada.
Making a funky
Yeah,
chicken noodle
really.
soup. That was like this flavor profile was like the most out there
It was like
of any
bam
that
in
I
your
had.
mouth,
Yeah.
yeah.
I think I was most surprised by number 5.
For sure.
That one
Yeah.
threw me off. I saw the thin noodles and I was like, this is a remake of Campbell's chicken noodle
Yes,
soup.
that's
And this is
exactly.
Ree Drummond making her kids their own Campbell's chicken noodle soup. And then I tasted it and my mind was actually blown.
Yes.
I think my favorite, it was definitely between 2 and 3, but I'm gonna have to go with number 2, Ina's.
My favorite has to be number 2. It was a traditional matzo ball soup that just speaks to my childhood.
I'm gonna go with my favorite being number 3, which was Tyler's, because I can't pass down a tortellini.
I know.
And those chicken meatballs were sweet, and it was a really nice, like, little surprise in my mouth.
I really like these. I like 2, 3, and 4. But I guess if I like have to go back for one, it would probably be 3 because I really like the tortellini noodles.
Love it. Wow, good job. You were so good at this.
Well, teamwork.
Yeah.
It's the dream work.
Makes the dream work. You know, we had to go different paths too a little bit just to shake things up,
Yeah,
but I think that
it's good to be independent.
So that was awesome. I chose Ina's, my favorite. Love you, girl. If you have any ideas of what you want us to taste next, leave a comment below.